From the moment you pull into Route 66 Bowl, that nostalgic feeling comes alive.
Being, a history buff, especially in oil and gas, this is just an amazing display. It really is.
It's just a sample of what you'll see inside.
You could spend half a day here looking at all the signs.
So where did you get all these signs?
Oh, all over. I can't even remember where they all came from. I think there's 2,000 in here, our last count.
Just a lifetime of collecting?
Yes, yeah, all over the place.
Owner Sid Hayes' array of old signs is just a bonus. The main draw to Route 66 Bowl is the entertainment.
This was Sid's concept, and he wanted something that the whole community could enjoy, for the young, for the old, and they can come together and be together here.
For a round of bowling, the main attraction, where you can strike up a game on one of 16 lanes downstairs. And when the lights go out, Glow Bowl is on.
It's really such an awesome thing to have in a small town, especially for, in our case, kids and grandkids.
The ultimate challenge, I soon found out from Sid's son Levi, is upstairs.
So normal lanes are 60 feet long. This is the world's longest lane at 101 feet long from the foul line to the head of the pins.
Is it hard?
No, not for me, but for other people, yes.
Okay, you think I should try it?
Yes, you should.
Okay, all right, I'm gonna try it.
First thing you gotta do is grab a ball.
All right, Levi, here we go. Any advice?
Only advice I have is throw it and hope for the best.
Oh gosh. All right, I can do that. Don't gutter, don't gutter. Oh, gutter ball.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, nice.
Just kidding, that was all Levi. But I did eventually knock a few over.
Oh my gosh! I got all but one.
Back downstairs, it's time to suit up for another battle of epic proportions. Prepared for a game of laser tag, these guys have more than 10,000 square feet of playing field, one of the largest laser tag arenas in the state.
The kids love the laser tag, and we like to come here as bowling, and it's good for any age, which is really nice.
The arcade offers dozens of games to play for fun, or you can collect points for prizes. Or go for a hole-in-one at the indoor blacklight mini golf course.
The people that come are what make this fun.
If all this fun has built up an appetite, it sure has for me, head over to the concession stand or the full-service restaurant on site.
My 20-inch jumbo pizza is a party waiting to happen. It's not playing around.
She wasn't playing around when she served up this jumbo chicken, bacon, and ranch pizza, a crowd favorite.
We've got some amazing hamburgers, some chicken sandwiches, chicken wraps, and salads that you just really do need to try.
Yes, please.
It's so well done, for one thing, and then to offer these type of bowling, putt-putt, laser tag, it's just amazing.
And well worth a stop on your next journey down the Mother Road. At Route 66 Bowl in Chandler, I'm Deanne Stein for Discover Oklahoma.
Here's how to find out more about this great Oklahoma destination. As always, travelok.com is your best one-stop shop for information about all Oklahoma has to offer. Please press like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications.